Okay, so we're back on the Acer 2S mill here. I'm going to go ahead and do a cut in low speed, and then I'm going to kick her in the high and get a finish cut. So. Okay, so I want you to be able to see your finish in high or in low speed. Now we'll go ahead and put her in high and do a high speed pass and show you a finish cut. On this side, so I'll catch up. Okay, so I'm not really sure what kind of steel I have here or what kind of RPMs it should be run at. I'm not a machinist. I'm a machine salesman / mechanic, but it is a one nice running machine. This is the original factory paint. We haven't touched it up. We haven't done anything to it, replaced a couple of tags, but that's going to conclude this video.